Hi, my name is Jade Huey and I did my project on food stamps. Applying for SNAP includes several steps. Submit a formal application, provide documentation of income and household expenses, complete an eligibility interview. To be eligible for SNAP, applicants must meet a certain income and resource limitations based on the size of their household. Adults between ages 18 and 49 without dependents have to meet a specific work requirement. Additionally to income, you have to consider factors like citizenship, status, age, disability, and household composition are examined when considered for eligibility. The type of food that is covered by SNAP. Foods you can buy include fruits and vegetables, fresh, canned, frozen, or dried, meat, poultry, and fish, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, breads and cereals, snacks and non-alcoholic beverages, seeds and plants, tomato plants and herb seeds, baby formula, and baby food. Food items that are not covered are hot or prepared foods like rotisserie chicken or deli meats, alcoholic beverages, tobacco products, vitamins, supplements, or medicines, pet food, non-food items like paper products, cleaning supplies, or hygiene items. SNAP is planned to guarantee access to nutritious food for home consumption. Many grocery store items are covered, but that does not include ready-to-eat purchases. The stores we have in Moreno Valley. There are approximately 12 to 14 full-service grocery outlets in Moreno Valley. This includes national, regional, and Hispanic ethnic supermarkets. The sample random example of 6 stores I got was Winco Foods, Cardenas Markets, Stater Brothers, Aldi, Superior Grocers, Sprouts Farmers Market, and that was out of the 14 grocery stores. This is the map, Google Maps. The estimation I got from each of the stores. Winco Foods, I got a total of 255. Cardenas Markets, I got a total of 319. Stater Brothers, I got a total of 341. Aldi, I got a total of 211. Superior Grocers, I got a total of 349 and 64 cents. Sprouts Farmers Market, I got a total of 457 and 44 cents. This is the calculations I did for the mean, median, and standard deviation of the 6 different totals with the box plot and a 95% confidence interval. Here you can see I did the box plot for the grocery totals, and then here I have the mean, which I got 322.18, the median 330, the standard deviation of 85.19, the sample data 255, 319, 341, 211, 349 and 64 cents, 457 and 44 cents. The sample size N equals 6. We want a 95% confidence interval. Step 1. Calculate the sample mean. And as you can see, I calculated it and I got 322.18. Calculate the Step 2. Calculate the sample standard deviation, and I got 85.19 from previous calculations. Step 3. Determine the critical value. Since the sample size is N equals 6, degrees of freedom equals N minus 1 equals 5. Using a t-distribution table for a 95% confidence interval and df equals 5. And then I got t equals 2.571. Step 4. Calculate standard error. And as you can see, I calculated and got 34.78. Steps 5. Construct the confidence interval. And I calculated all of that. The final 95% confidence interval, I got 232.76 and 411.607. We are 95% confident that the true average weekly grocery cost for a household falls between $232.16 and $411.60. To estimate the monthly cost, 232.76 times 4, 411.60 times 4, and then 931.04, and then 1,646.40. A household likely needs between 931 and 1,646 per month for groceries. A household of 4. What did you discover? I discovered that the government is not providing enough money for families to cover meals for a month. I chose the family with a household of 4, and their maximum monthly benefit is $939, and their estimated average monthly benefit is $718. I estimated that a family of 4 would need between $931 and $1,646 per month for groceries. The EBT they get for a family of 4 is definitely on the lower spectrum, and their groceries are probably not lasting monthly. I learned that families do need a little bit more assistance when it comes to providing for their family. Groceries are getting more expensive, and families with lower incomes are going to have trouble with feeding their families. If we can pay millions of taxes for the military, then we can help some families feed their family. I've always wondered how families with low incomes provide for their family, and now I know. But families do need a little bit more assistance, because the food stamps they are giving for some families are just not enough monthly. Thank you, and that is the end of my presentation.